We will talk about today 5 small business ideas for Pakistan. Do you think making money is hard? No, it is not. In fact, starting something is hard. Let's take a look at 5 small business ideas for Pakistan, which pays you a lot if you started from today. Let's get into it. Number 1, e-commerce. With the increasing internet penetration in Pakistan, starting an e-commerce business can be a lucrative option. You can sell products online, either by creating your own website or by using an existing platform like Daraz. You can specialize in a particular niche, such as fashion, electronics, or home appliances, or offer a wide range of products. Number 2, food business. The food industry is thriving in Pakistan, and there is always room for new players. You can start a restaurant, a bakery, or a catering service. You can also consider setting up a food delivery service, as online food ordering is becoming increasingly popular in Pakistan. Number 3, education and training. Education and training are in high demand in Pakistan, as the country's population is young and seeking new skills. You can start a business that provides vocational training, language courses, or academic tutoring. You can also consider setting up an online learning platform. Number 4, renewable energy. Pakistan has a lot of potential for renewable energy, especially solar power. You can start a business that installs solar panels on rooftops or sells solar-powered products. You can also consider setting up a wind farm or a biogas plant. Number 5, health and wellness. There is growing awareness about health and wellness in Pakistan, and people are willing to pay for products and services that help them stay healthy. You can start a business that sells organic food, herbal supplements, or natural beauty products. You can also consider setting up a gym or yoga center. So these are top 5 ideas to start a small business in Pakistan. If you like the video or any idea, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest updates for that type of content. Thank you so much.